Hi, I'm Robin Ekloff, owner of John's Waterproofing and Crawl Space Repair. Looking at some questions that a lot of people ask us, and a lot of people ask us, why is my crawl space always wet? It starts out when they build your home. When they build your home, they dig a hole to put your foundation in there, And if it rained outside and that hole was open, you would expect it to fill up with water, right? Well, just because they put your foundation in there and build your house in there doesn't mean it's not going to fill up with water. So when they backfill around the perimeter of your home, you end up with native soil that's out away from your house, and usually about 2 or 3 feet around the perimeter of your house, there's the soil at the backfill area. And any water that gets into that area just saturates down in there, builds up hydrostatic pressure around the perimeter of the house, and pushes in underneath the foundation. A lot of homes that have crawl spaces don't have a footing drain because it's not required. And so there's no place for the water to go. In fact, they put a low point drain in the crawl space, so when water does get in, it's able to get back out. So it's just susceptible to having that water go in there. So give John's Waterproofing and Crawl Space Repair a call, and we'll get out there and help you solve any problems you may have.